What the heck is bodyweight burn? I never would have believed that a 21-minute workout could kick my butt. Was I ever wrong? Adam's main fitness clients have been CEOs, businessmen and stay-at-home moms. People who need to get in shape quick, without wasting any time. That's why every workout in Bodyweight Burn is designed to be completed in 21 minutes. And there are 3 different workout types in this approach. A significant part of the program is based on interval training. If you're familiar with high-intensity intervals, you'll know how effective they are. A recent study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology showed that, when it comes to boosting calorie burning, as little as 15 minutes of resistance training did just as good a job as 35 minutes of weightlifting. And the increase in metabolism lasted for as much as 72 hours after the workout. Yeah, you read that right. One of the biggest benefits of this type of training over conventional cardio like treadmills or exercise bikes is that it continues to burn fat for 24 to 48 hours after you finish exercising. That's why Adam calls these things afterburner workouts. He also includes something called metabolic muscle workouts. They're designed to build and maintain attractive lean muscle. Because lean muscle burns more calories at rest, which means you burn more fat. And because that muscle is what gives your body its attractive shape. The third part of his approach is called cardio flow. This is Adam's answer to boring traditional treadmills and jogging. Cardio flow takes a fun series of bodyweight movements and puts them into a long flowing chain. The goal is to move continuously without resting. Burning fat while having fun. Bodyweight burn is divided into 2 6-week phases, for a total of 12 weeks. You get 1 day of total rest per week, so you're training 6 days a week. But I bet you won't even notice, because you'll finish the workouts so fast. Who is it for? This program is perfect for busy people who don't have a lot of free time. It's also great for those who travel, because you can do it anywhere, anytime. And it's an excellent solution for you if you hate going to a gym. You can do every workout in the privacy of your own home. You don't need a high level of fitness to start bodyweight burn, either. All of Adam's workouts are designed to scale up in intensity level. So you can take it slow if you're just starting out. And it'll also challenge you if you're a regular exerciser. Your age and current fitness level is not a factor. Keep in mind that this isn't a muscle building program. You'll burn fat and build a lean toned physique. But if your goal is big bodybuilder type muscle, you're better off joining a gym and lifting weights. This program is perfect for you if you want to lose some weight, improve your health, look great naked and feel more confident at the beach or in the boardroom. What's cool about it? Here's what I loved about Bodyweight Burn. 1. It's fast. You really can strip away belly fat and build powerful lean muscle with workouts that take less than half an hour. That adds up to 2.1 hours a week. And anyone has that kind of time, no matter how busy you are. 2. Easy to follow. The shorter your workouts, the more likely you are to stick to them. That's important, because consistency is the #1 success factor when it comes to long-term fat loss. 3. No more gyms. You don't need a gym membership to follow this program, so you actually save money. You can do these workouts in your living room, backyard, hotel room or office. All you need is a small amount of space and a timer. 4. It's fun. There are some really cool moves in this program. Stuff I've never seen before. And I bet most gym trainers have never seen them either. Adam is passionate about his methods, and it shows. This is a workout that you'll have fun following. Adam also backs this program with a 60-day no questions asked money-back guarantee. He's confident that he can get you results. And he wants you to give it a try at no risk to you. You can also contact Adam and his team for help at any time through his customer support email. His team is well known in the industry for their fast, courteous response. What's included? The entire Bodyweight Burn program is available for immediate download. You don't need to wait for the mail to arrive to start losing fat. And you can watch the workouts on your computer, tablet or mobile device. You get 3 essential workout methods with the Bodyweight Burn program: afterburner workouts, metabolic muscle workouts, cardio flow workouts. You get video tutorials where Adam coaches you through every single exercise in the program. And these aren't just some clip filmed in a basement or commercial gym. This was obviously a high-quality production created by a film crew. Finally, you also get a full PDF manual that explains the theory behind the entire bodyweight burn approach, handy wall charts that you can print and post in your workout area for quick reference, and printable journals for tracking your progress. Everything is done for you. If you want to understand the theory, you can read the main manual. And if you'd rather just want to jump straight to the workouts, there's a quick start guide that tells you exactly what to do. Are there any negatives? The one big disadvantage I can see is that Bodyweight Burn is only available online. You won't find this program in stores or on Amazon. But to be fair, Adam did say that he wanted to offer the best possible program with the most complete user-friendly components, while keeping the cost low enough so anyone could afford it. Making the program downloadable is probably the best way to do that. And of course, if you'd rather watch the workout videos on your television, it's very easy to burn the videos to a DVD that will work in any home DVD player. What's the verdict? Bodyweight Burn is a complete fat loss solution for busy people, for people who hate the gym, and for anyone who wants to get lean in the least amount of time. The materials are high quality. This program was put together by someone who knows how to teach, so you'll never be confused about what to do next. And Adam's customer support is there to help answer any question you might have down the road. The testimonials on his site speak to just how effective the Bodyweight Burn BW3 approach is to torching fat. If you follow the directions, then this program will work for you. I give it a big thumbs up. Highly recommended.